What's going on, guys? Charlie Watson here with Beechmont Ford Performance. Just wanted to come to you and give you an update on a project we're working on today. Now, this is something we've never done before. It's going a little onto the tech side. So Jonathan bought this 300A black on black GT performance pack from us last year, and he loved everything about it, but really wished he would have got the bigger screen. So we did some research and we found this application for him, and it really turned out awesome. So there you can see the stock radio, and install was really straightforward. It was all plug and play, and we had the whole project done before lunch. The finished product was awesome. Very clean look, and you maintain all of your functionality, both with entertainment and traction control. It actually adds capability. It's got a built-in web browser, and you can control your reverse camera in case you, in case you need to go on a stakeout. The thing that makes this really cool is I've known Jonathan for a few years now. I've sold him a silver Mustang V6 before this one, and now we've upgraded to the 5.0, and he is out serving our country right now. He's currently deployed, and it's really cool because his mom called me. She's another great customer of mine, and asked that we do this upgrade for him because it was something that means a lot to him, so we can have it ready when he gets home. So it was really cool to be a part of it, and I can't wait to see what he thinks.
Hey man, I just want to say thank you for your service, and I hope you love your upgrade. It's been a blast doing it.
Hey Jonathan, I just want to thank you so much for your service. I cannot wait till you see this. This is incredible. This first one we've done, and it is absolutely amazing. Thank you so much, and you're gonna love it.